Now, we're going to explore the word zest.
Zest? That sounds interesting. What does it mean?
Great question. Zest has three main meanings. Zest refers to a feeling of pleasure and enthusiasm. For example, someone with a zest for life is full of energy and excitement. Zest also describes a quality in an activity or situation that makes it exciting or enjoyable. It's that extra spark that makes something stand out. Lastly, zest is the grated outer skin of citrus fruits like lemons, oranges, or limes. It's often used to add flavor to food or drinks.
Wow, one word with three meanings? That's fascinating. Can you give an example to make it clearer?
Of course. Let me explain through a short story. Imagine this: Samir is baking a cake. He's super excited about trying a new recipe. It's a lemon cake. He approaches it with zest, meaning enthusiasm, ready to make something delicious. As Samir works, he adds his own twist to the recipe by grating some lemon zest, the outer skin of the lemon, into the batter to enhance the flavor. When the cake is done, the vibrant taste gives it that extra zest. Samir realizes that this enthusiasm and creativity make the whole experience more enjoyable. Let's see how zest is used in different contexts. He retired from professional chess because he had lost the zest for winning. This means he no longer felt the excitement or enthusiasm to keep competing. She has a zest for life, always exploring new adventures with a smile. This refers to her energetic and enthusiastic approach to life. Live interviews add zest and a touch of the unexpected to any piece of research. Here, zest refers to the excitement or uniqueness added to the activity. Mix the olive oil with the zest and juice of a lemon for a refreshing salad dressing. In this case, zest means the grated outer skin of the lemon, used to add flavor.
So, zest can mean enthusiasm, something exciting, or even the outer skin of citrus fruits.
Exactly. Depending on the context, it can describe energy, excitement, or even a flavorful ingredient.
I get it now. I'll remember these meanings the next time I hear or use the word.
Perfect. Now you're ready to add some zest to your conversations and cooking.